Okay, hi, namaste guys. Let us see the COVID-19 active cases and the death rate in the numerical form and recovery cases. And we can see a huge increment in the recovery cases, and a word from me: don't negligent anything and wear mask while going out. Take precautions before getting COVID-19 and get vaccinated as fast as possible, and make sure your family is safe by getting vaccinated. And let's get into the data. Okay guys, as you can see on the screen, the COVID-19 active cases which are registered today and as well as past all over the world, and today's registration cases are 5,40,335, and if we see death, yesterday it was nearly 13,000, today it is 12,828. We can see a huge decrease, and we can say we are going to cross the second wave COVID-19. Okay guys, if we see recovery cases are increased, and we can say it is nearly 6,30,130, and from yesterday the recovery cases are decreasing. I think so in the some of the countries the third wave COVID-19 is also has been started, and get vaccinated as fast as possible. And it is the third wave COVID-19 is going to affect the children a lot, and if you have a child or a son or a daughter in your home, so take care of them, and if you are a parent of them, and get vaccinated as fast as possible. Okay guys, here you can see the daily new cases which are registered, and from the highest case which has registered, there was a disturbance in this video, sorry for the disturbance. And okay, let us see the highest peak which has been reached. It is March 29, 2021, and let us see the death in the graph form. And if we see death in the graph form, the cases have been decreasing, and the peak has been reached on April 3, 2021. And if we see in the tabular form, first is USA, second is India, third is Brazil, fourth is France, fifth is Tokyo, sixth is Russia, seventh is UK. If there is any shaky in this video, please forgive me. And in India, we can say 7,752 cases have been registered, and today's death is 74 which has been registered. And we can see yesterday's death in India, it was nearly 4,000, and every day the death has been increasing in India. Nearly 4,000 death is happening in India. And if you see Russia, 9,252, and these two countries, India is on the second wave, and Russia, I think so, it is on the third wave, and the death is on 104. And if we see other countries, every country is registering, and Iran has registered 10,253 cases, I think so, today's highest cases which has been registered. And let us see the total COVID-19 cases which are registered today: 93,872, and 2,526 death has been happened, and the cases are increasing now daily. So get vaccinated and don't neglect it. And if you have a child in your home, obviously safeguard them, and please sanitize your hands after an hour. And if you go out, please wear mask, and if you come to home after all your purchases of necessary things, then take a bath. And thanks for watching this video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you comment on this video, it will be a support for us, it will be a motivation for us, so please subscribe. Thank you for watching.